Hello there again, it's me Julie. So now let me teach you how to add a new client via QuickBooks Online Accountant. So now let's dive into our QuickBooks Online account. So here we are in our dashboard, and as you can see here, there are different tools here from the left navigation bar. So now let's take a look at the steps required to add a client who is new to QuickBooks Online via QuickBooks Online Accountant. And now from our client dashboard, here is our client dashboard. Just click this one, and then here on the add client button, click this. And so here, our client contact information, you can select whether of these two, the business or the individual option. So for the business option, you can see here the fields that we are going to fill in: the business name, email, display name, and the mobile number. And for the individual section, so here is the difference for the name section. So in individual, we have to input the first name and the last name. So in our case, we will going to choose the business for our client contact information. So like for example, our business is um, David's, all right, David's Salon. So as you can see, as we type in the business name section, our display name is automatically fills in. So all we have to do is make a choice whether to change our display names. Our display name will appear in our client dashboard, so you can edit this one. So if you want this to stay the same as the business name, so just skip this section. So um, write also the email of the business. So for example, the email of the business is David Salon 123 at gmail.com, and also the mobile number, so 234567890. So there you go. All right. I see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you go. And also from here, from the plus, add more info. You can click this one. If you want to add your client's first name, client's last name, so another information about your client. If you want to add this one, just fill in this section. But if you don't want, just skip this one. And from here, from the product section, we have here the two options: the subscription and no subscription. If you want to have a subscription for your client, so you have a billing options here. Here in the bill my firm options, this means that you will going to pay for your client's subscription bill. And from here, from the bill my client, this means that the client will going to pay the subscription themselves. So here, when you click here the pro advisor discount, it says here on the right side, get a 30% discount off the subscription. So if you pay for your client, you will get a 30% discount of the subscription. And take note of this: if you add a client with pro advisor or direct discount billing, you can't change the billing to revenue share later. So that means that if you choose whether of these two options, you cannot change later to subscribe or to have a subscription in a revenue share. So if you click this one, direct discount, this means that your that your client will going to pay for themselves. So the 30%, the 30% discount will be passed through to your client, and they will going to pay for themselves, and they will receive a discount for a certain period of time. And if you so let us select here the direct discount for the billing option. And if you selected to add subscriptions now, you can choose the right QuickBooks Online subscription level for your client. So we have here different subscription level, the advanced, plus, essentials, and simple start. So uh, as an as a pro advisor, you have to identify whether of these subscriptions are fit to your client's needs. So the plus is of the most popular, so we're going to check this one. So click the select button, and now the QuickBooks Online Plus subscription is now checked, or you have that means that you have chosen this subscription for your client. And also we have here the payroll subscription. If you want your client, or your client needs a payroll subscription, you can choose whether of these three options, the elite, premium, and the core. But if your client doesn't need yet this subscription, just skip this one. And also for the contractor payments, if you want to add, and also for the time, QuickBooks Time subscription, you can select from Elite and Premium subscription. But if there is no need for you to add a QuickBooks Time subscription, just skip this one. And from here, you can see here the box from Make Me the Primary Admin. If you click this one, so it says here that uh, the QuickBooks Online will email your client to let them know that you are the primary admin for this QuickBooks company. So if you select it, the client will be notified, and you will become the company's main contact and have the authority to make decisions about the data in the account and manage access to company info. So when you're done, just select Save. All right, so let us wait for it to load. Now, David Salon is on your client list. So as you can see here on the screen for our clients list, we can see here David Salon here. David Salon already added to our clients list. So this is the information of David Salon. So we have here from the actions column. So we have here the edit client, and from the drop down arrow, if we click this, so we have different options. We can prepare for taxes for David Salon. We can create tax return, or we can choose to delete permanently David Salon in your client, in your QuickBooks Online Accountant account, or you can also choose to make David Salon inactive in your account. So let's check here from the Edit Client button. If we click this one, okay, let us wait. So the QuickBooks Online will bring us into our client contact information. So we can edit this section, the information about your client. So you can add here any important information for your client. And from here, you can see here that the QuickBooks subscription of your client is the QuickBooks Online Plus. So we can see here, want to make changes to this account. So if we go from here, subscriptions and billing, so the QuickBooks Online will bring us into the subscriptions and billing section. So here from the accountant billed subscriptions tab, we can see here the payment information of yours that you have to fill in. So if you are going, if you if you will be the one to pay for your client. But if your client pay for themselves, so you can click here from the client build subscriptions tab. So here, so we can see here David Salon QuickBooks Online Plus is the subscription of David Salon. So the client's price that he has to pay every month. And in our action column, we have here the client's action. If we click this one, if you want to add payroll for your client, so we can click this add payroll. All right, so let us wait for it to load. The QuickBooks Online is now processing our clients data. All right, so here we are now we are now taken here to the billing option. So here, bill my client. So your client is paying for themselves, so the direct discount, so it is a 30-day free trial. So here it is, the QuickBooks Online Payroll. If you want to add a payroll elite or payroll premium, so just um, and also we have here the payroll core. So if you want to choose any of these three, you can click the add button, and when you're done, just select confirm. So in our case, we don't have to add a payroll, so I have to X this one, and then you can go back from the client's list. So now we have our David Salon clients in our QuickBooks Online Accountant account. So that's it. That's how easy to add a client via QuickBooks Online Accountant. Thank you for sharing.